Hi mga mommies, as Umay Semit continues, let's make the trending tofu squares. We need a quality tofu for this recipe. I bought this block of tofu from Hypermart for 63 pesos. Wala itong amoy, hindi siya maasim, and firm talaga siya. First, pat to dry, then cut into cubes or serving or bite pieces. Season lang with salt, then set aside. Then we'll make the wet butter. Just watch the video for guidance. Hindi na tayo gagawa ng dredging station na may egg, flour, and breadcrumbs. Wet butter lang tayo and breadcrumbs. So, coat the tofu with the wet butter, then roll it into breadcrumbs. Make sure to coat all sides. Repeat all the process for all the tofu squares. Then, magpainit na ng mantika for deep frying. Deep fry the tofu squares until it turns golden brown and drain excess oil. As for the white sauce, I have my own version of white sauce na may garlic. So, watch the video again for guidance. It's up to you how to plate this. Then, yung sobra, itinusok ko sa cocktail toothpicks para mas madali siyang makain ng mga kids. Drizzle with white sauce and garnish with spring onions. And there you have it. This dish is healthy na masarap pa.